It's a beautiful Sunday morning. But the numbers are all looking so sad. They are missing the children. Oh, here's Zero, the hero. He looks all ready for an adventure. He wants all the numbers to come with him to the park. But they are scared of getting lost. Zero the hero has an idea. He wants them to stand in a queue, starting with the smallest number and ending with the greatest. Oh dear, it looks like the numbers do not know which of them is small and which is great. Zero tells them to count the dots. The number with the smallest number of dots is the smallest number. Which number has the smallest number of dots? One has the smallest number of dots. So, he is the smallest among the numbers. He must stand at the front. Who comes next? 2 has more dots than 1, but a smaller number of dots than the other numbers. So, 2 is greater than 1, but smaller than all the other numbers. He must stand after 1. Who comes next? 3 has more dots than 2, but less than the other numbers. So, he must stand after 2. Who is next? 4 comes next, followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job! All the numbers are now standing in a queue. The smallest number, 1, is right at the front of the queue, and the greatest number, 9, is at the end of the queue. The other numbers are standing between 1 and 9 in increasing order of size. This arrangement of numbers is called ascending order. The numbers are now ready to march. Along with Zero, the hero, the numbers from 1 to 9 are off to the park.